Hi friends, it's a new month and a new opportunity to continue learning live with Bootstrap Biz advice. Bootstrap Coffee Crew members, I've got 3 virtual co-working sessions scheduled for you on March 13th, 20th, and 27th. You can join these calls live from 9 to 11 a.m. Eastern on the channel for accountability, community, and a chance to win a Starbucks gift card. Bootstrap Star students, our monthly workshop will be taught by Latesha Lynch from Her Marketing Coach. She will be talking all about life after launches. She will teach you how to recover, regroup, and rebook without starting from scratch on March 10th at 1 p.m. Eastern. And Bootstrap Creators, our monthly coaching call is scheduled for March 25th, and our challenge this month will be specifically about YouTube growth through YouTube Shorts. Many of you expressed to me that you would like to utilize Shorts to increase your channel views and your subscribers, so I will be providing you with some helpful resources throughout the month of March to make that process easier. I have an interview scheduled with Kristina Bartold from The Social Snippet to kick off the month right before her event for High Vibe Women that I will be keynoting on March 7th in Ontario. Finally, I'll be taking you through a 3-part series on our Monday live streams, all about rebuilding your email list. I will share with you email marketing strategies for 2026 that will help you to grow based on new best practices that I personally learned from the team at Flowdesk. So if you want to make sure that you have access to everything that I just shared with you, become a Bootstrap creator. But if you're looking to just get started, I have memberships that start at just $4.99 a month. All you need to do is click on the join button below this video or visit lashondabrown.com/become a member. I'm super excited for a full month of training and community building. We actually have over 80,000 subscribers on this channel now, and I hope that you will be along for the ride as well. Until next time, ta-ta for now.